Shout out to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the Adora Grace channel. So today I'm going to take you on an unedited tour of my guest bedroom suite. And if you stay tuned all the way to the end, I'm going to include a bonus clip that tells you a little bit more about this channel. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so let's start with this side of the room. And as we walk over, I'll show you that there is a thermostat in here, so the guests gets to control the temperature in their room, so that is great for the guest's comfort. All right, over here I have this lamp that I purchased from Target, and you're gonna see that a lot of the things that I have are very affordable. I don't believe in spending any more than I have to on anything. So over here is a side mirror, so decorative side mirror that I also got from Target as well. And there's the other one on that side. Okay, so coming down here is this beautiful piece that I put flowers in. I got this at Home Goods, and I just love how it just shines and just adds some pizzazz to this area. And I have a picture frame in here that's also matches, and I don't have any picture in there since it is a guest bedroom suite, so I just kind of left it as a blank canvas. The tray that the items are sitting on, I purchased from Home Goods, and the side table, I believe I purchased from Target, and I just happened to find a matching tray at Home Goods. So that's it for this area. Okay, so let's move along. Oh, actually, let's talk about this accent wall, because as you'll see, as you probably already saw in the before image, this wall was and this whole room was basically just a Boren Builders base. So I had this accent wall painted a really rich dark navy blue, and then I paired it with this headboard, this white headboard that really makes this whole area pop. So I got this headboard from Amazon, and I'm going to include the details in case you want to get it as well. And here I have this duvet set, this dark blue duvet set that I was really disappointed when I got it, because looking at the pictures on the website and then what showed up, you know, I wasn't really happy with it, but it'll do for now. And I have the pillowcases are just plain white, and the rest of this was from an old duvet or even a comforter set that I purchased years ago, and I'll try to include that information as well. So over here is this white coverlet. Looks kind of quilted, and what I really like about this is it allows you to it gives you the liberty to have ugly sheets. So if you have a sheet set that isn't the prettiest sheet set, you can still have a pretty crisp and clean looking bed by covering it with this coverlet. So speaking of sheets, I got these sheets from Costco, and they were really inexpensive, and they're actually really soft and comfortable as well. I believe they were $17.99, or they were under $20 and available at Costco. So that's the bedding. So let me move back, take a closer look. And I hope I'm not shaking this camera too badly because I am the world's worst camera person. All right, so, oh, another thing is with your guest bedrooms, it's really important to make sure to keep it clean. At least once a week, you know, come in and dust. Even if no one, you know, stays in the room, it still does collect dust. So it's important to make sure that you maintain any guest bedroom that you have. So the other side is pretty much identical to the other. Ooh, sunset. Okay, no, shouldn't have done that. All right, so this side is not sunset, sunrise. All right, anyway, so this side is pretty much identical to the other side. And one thing about, you'll notice this Glade candle burner, I actually don't burn any scents in here because with it being a guest bedroom, everyone has their own taste. So what might smell good to me might reek to someone else. So I keep the scent in here very neutral. I open the windows and I also just keep the room clean, so it always smells nice and fresh in here. So these curtains are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I don't know if you can really see it very well. Let me get a little bit closer. Okay, so these are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and these are blackout curtains. So if you have a guest, if I have a guest that chooses to sleep during the daytime, then they can do so because these curtains are really effective. So all the way up here is a curtain rod, which I purchased from Home Goods, which I really like the look of. Once I put it up, it really changed the whole look of this room and put the curtains up. It really framed this room very nicely. So that's that. So over on this side of the room is the little kind of office area. So this is where I have the chair, which I got from Amazon, by the way, for under $40, if you would believe that, and put it together myself. And I have the TV, so if the guest wants to lay in bed and watch TV, they can do so, or they can pull the chair back towards the bed and watch TV. If they want to do some work, they can do so at the table. If they want to have a cup of coffee or tea, or a bite to eat, a snack to eat, they can do so at the table as well. I have this vase from Home Goods, put some flowers in there for a pop of color. There is the mirror that the guests can use to look at themselves. The lamp here for extra lighting if as needed. And over here is just a basket that the guests can use to put any extra pillows in here. And then I have this table. I think I got this from either Wayfair or Overstock here. So let me back up. So let's take another look at this area. Okay. All right. Oh, and then these Roman shades I purchased online and did a self-installation. All right, so let me, oh, take a look at my Valentine's Day frog. So cute and super duper fluffy and soft. All right, anyway, so let's move on to the closet. I do have a closet in here, which it is a good idea to keep your guest bedroom closet empty, but I do happen to have some things in here. So, but if I was having a guest coming by, I would make sure that it was empty. So let's take a walk on over to the guest bathroom, which I haven't done anything with this bathroom. So let me just come on in here and show you here, and mirror there. Let me try to hide from this mirror. Okay, so here we go over here. I wonder if you can even see this well. Let me turn this light off Let's see if, nope, that didn't work. Turn this light on. Yeah, the lighting isn't really great, so you can't really see it too well, but yeah, so here is the shower. Okay. All right, so let's come on and just do another quick overview, okay, of the room. And by the way, those of you that are still watching, if you've made it this far, if at any point in this video you saw my elbows and they were white, it's not because I'm ashy, but my elbows were rough, so I placed some exfoliating soap on them. So that's what that's about. So yeah, so this is it. This is the overview. Just let me know if you have any tips for me, any questions about where I got any of the things in here, and stay tuned for a little bonus clip. I'll give you a little rundown of what to expect on this channel. All right, thanks for watching. Peace out. Hey guys, so first thing, quick shout out to all of my new subscribers. I am happy to have you here, and I hope you're going to enjoy all of the content on this channel. Okay, so one other thing, as you'll notice, like, my hair's not done, no makeup, not dressed up, none of that. So here's the thing about this channel, like, this is kind of like an old school YouTube type channel. So no glitz and glam. This is just coming at you with just honest reviews of things, just YouTube, just me as I am, and just sharing things that I think could be helpful to all of you. So it's not going to be any fancy editing or anything like that. So that's what this channel is all about. So now that I've gotten that out of the way, thanks again for watching.